In today's video, I will share what you need to know about the model's portfolio. What it is, what's in it, and if you actually need one. Hi, my name is Mina. I am 8 months old. Every week, I'm going to show you what I'm doing to become a baby model. Let's start. What is a model's composite card? It is a model's business card. Much like a resume, it is a model's marketing tool, which is handed out to potential clients during castings and auditions. Internationally, they call it a comp card. Here in the Philippines, I have noticed it is usually called a set card. What information is included in a comp card? A comp card shows about 5 of your best photos. Make sure to have headshots, half body, and full body shots. It should also include your name, date of birth, your measurements such as height and weight. Include your address, and most importantly your contact info. Do you need a comp card? If you want to have a good first impression, then yes! Can you show a sample? Sure, here's mine. This was what I made. Then my modeling agency changed it to this new professional one. Do you want to be notified when I upload next week's video?